Hi and welcome back to Escapades with Emma. I'm Emma, as you may have gathered, and today we're on our way to the Daintree Rainforest, making our first stop of the day at the Port Douglas Wildlife Sanctuary. So we've seen some black swans, our only pair of breeding black-necked storks in captivity, some really cheeky birds, and some really adorable, I don't know, marsupials, rodent-like. Anyway, they're small, they're furry, and they're cute, so check it out. The Limholtz tree kangaroo. Look how cute it is!
Do you respect the rules of the road?
I shall name you Patrick, and we shall be friends. No, not Patrick. What about Glenn? Like Sadie Van Lass. How about Thomas? What about Raoul? No? No? Davy. Jeremy. Stuart. Oh, he likes Stuart. Okay, Stewie. Ooh. You are a very scary looking bird to me, but you're also somewhat majestic. They are so incredibly dinosaur-like, but like in a beautiful way. This is what I will be doing soon. Jungle surfing, or known as ziplining.
Right, everyone walking, shuffling these hamster moves.
Right over the ground zone, right down on the hamster wheel there. And we're going to work our way up and through the canopy, back down here where we are now in the understory. And then we're going to go out to the emergent layer, which is the very highest one. Then we're going to work our way back down to like the to the new growth and the old growth, all the way through. Got any questions?
Have you guys ever heard of the saying or the little catchphrase where the rainforest meets the reef? It is actually real. The rainforest does connect to the reef.
Isn't that the only place in the world where two UNESCO World Heritage Sites meet?
Very correct. So we're in quite a unique and a special kind of moment. Plants, animals and insect life just in your view here in 1 hectare than North America and Europe combined.
Holy
1 hectare. There's about 1,200 hectares of Daintree Rainforest, and that's not even including the life in the ocean.
Oh wow, look! Oh, you gotta look around. This is awesome!
Off the platform, up you go. Hey, nice work, no hands.
Upright. Ah, well done.
That was super fun.
Smashed it. On here, what are we playing for?
I have no idea.
Pride.
Yeah, honor.
Country pride. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
For the win! Oh, Canada!
Are you Canadian?
Yeah.
How have I not known this yet? Where are you from?
I don't know, get out of here. I'm from Prince Edward Island.
No, no one's from Prince Edward Island.
Yeah.
I'm from Saskatchewan.
Are you?
No one's from there either.
Yeah. Jungle surfing, all sorts of fun. Walk through time. If you're ever in northern Queensland, do it. Do it! We capped off the day with a cruise in the Daintree River to spot crocodiles.
It's a young male, so it is a big crocodile, but can I tell you it's a small male crocodile. Some of the big males you get in the Northern Territory are 6 meters long and 1.5 tons. These 3.5 meters would probably be around maybe 400 kilos.
Thanks so much for watching and joining me on my tour of the Daintree Rainforest. If you enjoyed this, please share it with a friend, and don't forget to follow me on social media and subscribe for more content like this.